السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. ویلکم ٹو مدنی اسلامک اکیڈمی قرآن تجوید کورس آن لائن. Viewers, today we will continue our Madani Qaida lesson 19. Today we will learn Zaid Alif. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start. اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. Viewers, in this lesson we will learn what is the Zaid Alif or additional alif in an Arabic accent, and what is the condition to pronounce the Zaid Alif or additional alif in an Arabic accent. We will learn this in this lesson with examples. What is the Zaid Alif in an Arabic accent? Viewers, in some places of the Holy Quran there are alif which has circle sign. This circle sign on it, that alif is called Zaid Alif or additional alif. In the Holy Quran, some alif that has this circle sign, that alif is called Zaid Alif. What is the condition to pronounce the Zaid Alif or additional alif in an Arabic accent? In the following three words, we do not pronounce the alif which has this circle sign. In the case of wasl, continuing without pause or waqf, this is the first example of Zaid Alif. This alif has circle sign, it will not pronounce. The second example of Zaid Alif, this alif will not pronounce as well. The third example of Zaid Alif is it will not pronounce. How we pronounce Zaid Alif in case of whistle? Lam khada zabar la, kaf noon zir kin, lakin, noon zabarna, lakinna, hamza ra zabar al, ra pesh ru, al-zu, noon waw pesh nu, al-zunu, noon zabarna, al-zununa, hamza ra zabar ar, ra zabar ra, ar-ra, sin waw pesh su, ar-rasu, lam zabar la, ar-rasula. These are the example of Zaid Alif. We do not pronounce Zaid Alif in case of wasl. In coming lesson, inshallah, we will learn more example of Zaid Alif. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.